Did you know that 50% of young moms never graduate high school, and that less than 2% go on to get a college degree by the age of 30? My name is Gwen, and I'm here to share my story on how I overcame becoming a statistic. My parents are immigrants. My mother is Dominican and my father is from El Salvador. Growing up, we were in a religious and very strict household, so much that I barely had any friends. My parents' lack of life experience and education had me growing up feeling unseen, unloved, and very alone. By the age of 12, my parents decided to send me down to live in Florida with my aunt. And while I was there, I was sexually abused by our neighbor. And when I told my family what happened, they blamed me and sent me back to New York with my parents. So to cope, I lost myself in my education. I was a straight-A student. I was graduating high school and on my way to college. I had a bright future ahead of me. But by the time I turned 18, I realized that I was pregnant. My family disowned me. My daughter's father wasn't around, and I had to drop out of college so that I can survive. I hit rock bottom. I didn't want to live anymore. But do you know what saved me? That little girl growing inside me. When I felt her kick, I realized I wasn't alone anymore, and I had to live for her. And so I slowly started to climb out of that hole. I went to school part-time, and I worked, sometimes a double, so that I can get my associate's degree and my bachelor's. And let me tell you, that was so hard. It took me 10 years to earn a 4-year degree. After college, I got a corporate job at an investment bank in New York City. I went on to get married and extend my beautiful family. I even worked at a sports agency where I was able to create, develop, and oversee the financial infrastructure. Heck, I even went on to open up my own business, and I got my master's. And when I look back at all of my successes, the greatest success that I achieved was a shift in my mindset, from being the person that allowed life to happen to her to being the one that created the life that she wanted. And here I am, creating my life with purpose. I am now the executive director of a nonprofit that serves a community of immigrants who are fulfilling their dreams. I get to serve small business owners with education, resources, and advocacy. But you see, my work doesn't stop there. My work is about uplifting communities that feel unseen, unloved, and alone. And for those young mothers out there that feel that there is no hope, I'm here to tell you, you are not alone. To you, I say, pa arriba y pa'lante. Rise up and move forward. Because with determination, hard work, and resilience, anything is possible. Thank you.